gentle spirit hiding in a man who lives by bone and muscle. Loved more women he could ever say, and every one of them took more than she gave. Heart exploding, overloading, here it comes again. Riding out at dawn, open up the throttle, feel the healing of the carefree desert wind, undertake the battle once again. Came to the desert, guns of the east, post-traumatic healing. Raised his eyes to the strange new skies, taking in the strays and fixing broken lives. Heart exploding, overloading, here it comes again. Riding out at dawn, open up the throttle, feel the healing of the carefree desert wind, undertake the battle once again. Over horizon, constant surprise that he'll never understand. Tears that flow through the years in a wind-swept land. Gentle spirit hiding in a man who lives by bone and muscle. Desert wind calls him again. One more two-lane journey